You need Excel automation in your application. But Microsoft Office Interop requires Excel installed on every machine, and it's not supported in server environments, so you look at cloud-based APIs. But they charge per request, per document, and per month. That's deployment risk and unpredictable long-term costs. IronXL eliminates both. It runs entirely inside your .NET application. No Office Interop, no cloud connections, no external dependencies. Your data never leaves your server. Licensing is simple. No usage metering, no per file fees, no volume-based pricing. Buy once, use forever. Unlimited Excel creation, reading, and editing inside your application. So what can it actually do? Create spreadsheets from scratch. Read and edit XLSX, XLS, and CSV. Import and export data tables. Evaluate formulas server-side, and manipulate ranges, styles, and cells, all in clean C# syntax. But here's where it gets serious. Process large datasets in backend systems. Deploy in multi-threaded ASP.NET applications. Run in Windows, Linux, macOS, Docker, Azure, and AWS. Getting started? Faster than you think. Install from NuGet. Write a few lines of code, you're generating spreadsheets. No server setup, no browser plugins, no third-party services. And when you need help, you talk to real engineers, not chatbots, not ticket queues. Iron's technical team offers 24/7 support, backed by clear documentation, tutorials, and working code examples that get you productive immediately. Try IronXL free for 30 days, no credit card required. Take full control of spreadsheet processing inside your application.